The unique geography of the Gulf has played a critical role in inspiring Iran's new naval doctrine. As a semi-enclosed body of water littered with archipelagos of small islands and few navigable passages, the Gulf is a challenging operating environment to control. The Gulf's shallow waters significantly reduce the maneuverability of blue water vessels, forcing them to cruise on narrow navigation routes, zig-zagging through a dense network of Iranian-controlled islands. Moreover, the Gulf's extreme climate conditions, frequent dust and sandstorms, and high levels of humidity can inhibit radars, target acquisition sensors, and communication systems, even for the most technologically advanced warships. Building on the fighting experience of the 1980s and the region's geographical features, Iran has resorted to hybrid warfighting tactics, a mix of asymmetric and conventional means, to counter the United States' advantage in conventional warfare. Iran's asymmetric naval warfare resembles a guerrilla-style mode of fighting. It revolves around using swarm boats, lightly armored and highly mobile speedboats armed with multi-rocket launchers and heavy machine guns and sea mines. While these platforms are especially suited to carry out patrol and reconnaissance activities, speedboats have gradually become the centerpiece of Iran's at-sea asymmetric warfare. Laden with heavy weaponry and equipped with high-power engines, swarm boats are versatile and flexible assets capable of engaging in a wide range of low-intensity disruption operations, such as naval boarding actions, swarming attacks, and offensive mine-laying. The multitude of small bays on the Iranian coastline and the Gulf's islands offer natural shelters where speedboats are harbored and concealed while not conducting raiding operations at sea. The Iranian Revolutionary Guards Corps Navy, IRGCN, not the Islamic Republic of Iran's Navy, Iran, is tasked with controlling the body of water. Relying on its extensive asymmetric warfare expertise, the IRGCN is better versed than a conventional blue water navy to operate in the shallow waters of the Gulf and engage in littoral warfare. The IRGCN's headquarters is in Bandar Abbas, close to the Strait of Hormuz, the point of major friction in the Gulf. The Revolutionary Elite Corps has developed a tight network of outposts and lookout stations extending from Arvan in the estuary of the Shatt al-Arab River to Chabahar in the Gulf of Oman that allows it to carry out operations across the entire Gulf. The maritime harassment campaign conducted between April and September 2019 highlighted the IRGCN's mastery over a plethora of hybrid warfare tactics. Through a series of sabotage activities targeting energy infrastructures and commercial ships, the seizure of oil tankers, and provocative actions against U.S. warships, the IRGCN has proved its capacity to plan and carry out complex missions featuring an integrated use of fast attack crafts, booby-trapped boats, unmanned surface vessels, USV, and unmanned air vehicles, UAV. Iran's top-notch missile arsenal is another critical component of the country's multi-layered defense strategy. The development and use of medium and long-range ballistic missiles serves two distinct but complementary purposes. On the one hand, the offensive capacity of advanced missiles already dovetails with the dynamics of asymmetric warfare. The range of indigenously developed missiles allows Tehran to leverage light payloads to provoke contained damage, guarantee a margin of deniability for its actions, and avoid major retaliations by its adversaries. These measures will not make the Iranian naval forces equal in strength to the United States. But they will offset many of Washington's strengths in an open battle, and are ideally tailored to the conditions of the Gulf and Iran's existing material limitations. Moreover, they credibly threaten to inflict a serious blow against the United States or its allies if they attempt to attack Iran through the Gulf, with relatively little risk for Tehran.